It's time again for another video quiz from Access Learning Zone. Today's quiz is for expert level users. There are 5 questions and they're going to come fast. I'm only going to give you a few seconds to answer each one, so hit the pause button if you need it. Keep track of your score and we'll see how you did at the end. Are you ready? Here we go. Question 1. What is the usual purpose of a foreign key field in an access table? To identify every record in that same table, to store a reference to a related record in another table, to automatically calculate totals for a record, or to prevent users from editing the table. That is B, to store a reference to a related record in another table. That's a foreign key. Question 2. What does an inner join in an access query normally return? Every record from both tables, matched or unmatched, only records that have matching values in both joined tables, every record from the first table only, or only records with blank join fields. That's going to be B, only records that have matching values in both joined tables. That's an inner join. Question 3, you want to see every customer, including customers who have never placed an order. Which join is most appropriate? An inner join from customers to orders, a left join that includes all customers' records, a join using only the order's primary key, or no join because related data cannot appear in one query. That'll be a left join that includes all customers' records. Question 4. When a query displays customer fields beside order fields, what usually happens to the underlying table data? Access permanently copies the customer data into the orders table. Access deletes duplicate customer records automatically. Access displays related data together without duplicating it in the tables. Or Access converts both tables into one new table. That'll be C. Access displays related data together without duplicating it in the tables. And question 5. In Access, why might a query unexpectedly show an enter parameter value box for a field name? The query is asking Access to create a new table. Access cannot find a field or control name referenced by the query. The primary key contains duplicate values, or the query has too many records to display. This one comes up all the time. It's B. Access can't find a field or control name referenced by the query. Usually it's a misspelling. All right, how'd you do? Did you get all 5 right? Are you the Chancellor of the High Council, or did your Tribble win the duel? Well, if you missed any of these topics and more are covered in my Access Expert Level 1 class, Lesson 3 on Relational Queries. Thanks for playing. Be sure to post your score in the comments, and until next time, Qapla'!